Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I will show you the study by Italian composer from 17th century, Carrera, and it shows how important is tempo in chess game. So this is the game where it's white turn to move, and white wins with any pawn move here. Obviously king cannot move because this pawn just fully controls him. So let's try a7 and c7. Yeah, it's important not to play this move because we will lose this a7 pawn. And in this position we can just win with this very easy promotion and winning the game. Let's try, I don't know, if we play this move, for instance, yeah, then white wins by promoting c7 and you cannot stop it. But let's try if it's black's turn to move. The same position. And what do you think? Is it a draw or a win? So actually it's a draw by the only move by black, which is there are two legal moves, king c7 and king a8. So the right move is king a8. So let's try king c7, king c8, but with king c8 loses to a7, yeah, and unfortunately king cannot go back and stop this pawn from queening. But this way, normally we don't want to have our king trapped on the side of the board because it creates a lot of threats, yeah, but this way it appears that it's a draw. So the most obvious is c7, but it's immediate stalemate. We cannot move our king. All the squares are protected. So if you play this move, then king again king a7 loses, but we have to find this king b8 controlling these both squares. Notice that king cannot move and we have to play, let's say a7. We take, and c7 doesn't work because of king takes, and so white takes everything. And if we try this way, it's basically the same. Promoting to queen and king takes, and it's a draw because of the stalemate. Alright, thank you very much and see you next time.